Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today we've got an exciting wave of leaks surrounding what could be GoPro's most ambitious 360 action camera yet, the GoPro Max 2. The new images and details suggest that this device is shaping up to be a rugged, high-performance upgrade that could seriously challenge the current leaders in the 360 camera market. From potential 8K capture and improved heat management to interchangeable lenses and a refined grip system, the Max 2 looks ready to raise the bar for adventure-focused. VIDOGRAPHY. One of the standout leaked shots shows the Max 2 taking a direct heavy-pressure blast of water, the kind you'd expect from industrial cleaning equipment or a truck-mounted hose. This isn't a casual splash. It's a deliberate demonstration of extreme waterproofing. Judging by this, we could be looking at a depth rating of 10 meters or more without the need for an external housing. That's a strong sign GoPro is pushing the durability envelope, appealing to divers, surfers, kayakers, and anyone who demands a camera that survives the harshest conditions. The grip design spotted in multiple leaks is another big departure. From what we've seen before, it's noticeably thicker, with deeper texture, for a better hold, and may serve more than one purpose. Some speculate it could combine a battery extension with a built-in tripod, giving creators longer shooting sessions and more flexible setup options. The fact that this grip appears in several leaked scenarios suggests it's not just an accessory, it could be a core part of the Max 2 ecosystem. It's possibly introducing a new mounting standard aimed at tougher, more active shooting environments. 1. Particularly intriguing image shows motion, blurred surroundings spinning around the camera, hinting at advanced stabilization or high frame rate capture in full 360. If true, this could enable immersive, high-energy footage that feels fluid even during chaotic action, something sports and travel videographers will appreciate. Another set of photos depicts a climber navigating a high ropes course while holding the Max 2 with a separate GoPro Hero camera mounted on their helmet. This clearly indicates that GoPro isn't marketing the Max 2 as a direct Hero replacement, but as a complementary tool for capturing alternate perspectives, behind-the-scenes angles, or immersive VR-ready footage to pair with traditional Hero shots. One of the most notable design changes appears to be the placement of the lenses. Instead of the offset positioning from the original Max, the Max 2 seems to use centrally aligned lenses. This is a big deal for stitching quality, as it should reduce warping, improve the invisible selfie stick effect, and give more consistent results across shots. Resolution is also a major talking point. The original Max topped out at 5.6K, but industry chatter now points toward at least 8,000 recording, possibly even higher if GoPro adapts the Hero 12 sensor technology. That could push the Max 2 into the realm of 9K or above, giving it a clear edge over Insta360's X4 and even DJI's rumored 360 competitor. Thermal performance looks to be another focus area. Leaked prototypes appear to incorporate cooling fins or larger heat-sink surfaces. Clear sign that GoPro has worked to address the overheating concerns that plagued earlier models. This could mean longer, uninterrupted recording at high resolutions, like 8K 30 FPS or higher frame rates without the dreaded thermal shutdown. Equally exciting is the growing evidence of interchangeable lenses. Multiple insiders have suggested this, and GoPro themselves have teased the concept in subtle ways. This would be a game changer for durability, as scratched lenses could be swapped out rather than ending a camera's life. It would also open the door for future optical upgrades, wide telephoto, low-light optimized, making the Max 2 a more versatile investment for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Additional hardware details emerging from the leaks include a USB-C port, macros slot, removable battery, and GoPro's signature folding fingers mount system. This means compatibility with existing helmet rigs, chest mounts, and other accessories, while still leaving room for new attachment methods that might debut alongside the camera. While GoPro hasn't officially confirmed a release date, industry sources and recent teaser posts strongly hint at an autumn reveal, possibly September 2025, just in time for the holiday buying season. One such teaser featured skydivers mid-free fall with a clear Max 2 in hand, paired with the single word dropping. It's a classic GoPro move. Show the thrill first, explain the tech later. In short, the GoPro Max 2 is shaping up to be a major leap forward in 360 action camera design, combining enhanced stabilization, higher resolution, modular lens, options, improved heat management, and stronger ecosystem integration. If the final product delivers on even most of these leaks, GoPro could reassert itself as the go-to brand for creators who want maximum immersion and durability in their footage. Stick around here at Technology in the Future, because as soon as the official specs land, I'll break them down for you in full detail. Till then, keep exploring, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.